ArXiv Sanity Preserver. Developed by Andrei Karpathy, this tool helps you sift through the vast number of papers on ArXiv. By recommending papers based on what you've read and your specified interests, it personalizes your research feed, saving you time and keeping you informed of the latest developments. Semantic Scholar. Powered by the Allen Institute for AI, Semantic Scholar uses AI to understand the context and significance of scientific papers. It not only helps you find papers, but also understands their impact, providing you with a smarter way to discover relevant literature. Zotero. More than just a citation manager, Zotero uses AI to automatically extract metadata from PDFs and suggest related research. It's an invaluable tool for organizing your research materials, making your workflow more efficient and integrated. ChatGPT by OpenAI. This conversational AI can summarize research papers, brainstorm research ideas, and even assist in drafting papers or proposals. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it an excellent partner for researchers. Dossier. Offering a holistic approach to literature management, Dossier combines PDF management, reference management, and mind mapping. Its recommendation system is designed to suggest literature tailored to your existing collection, facilitating a more organized and focused research process. Connected papers. Explore the network of research around your topic with connected papers. It creates a visual graph showing how papers are related, helping you to discover seminal works and understand the evolution of ideas within your field. IRIS.AI. Specializing in science discovery, IRIS.AI uses AI to help you explore and connect the dots across different research papers and patents. Ideal for interdisciplinary research, it provides a broad view of related work across various fields. Allen AI's Semantic Scholar's TLDR. In a hurry? The TLDR feature provides concise summaries of research papers, making it easier to decide which papers are worth a deep dive. This AI-powered summary tool is a time saver for busy researchers. Google Scholar. While not purely an AI tool, Google Scholar's sophisticated algorithms help in finding the most relevant and impactful academic sources. Its citation, tracking, and alert features keep you updated on the latest research in your field. SciSpace, formerly Typeset.io. This platform simplifies the writing, formatting, and submission process for academic manuscripts. With AI-powered tools like citation style checking and grammar correction, it ensures your work is submission-ready. In the rapidly evolving landscape of academic research, these AI tools offer unprecedented support, helping you stay ahead in your field. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and videos.